Good morning, everyone. It's 1st of March 2024. We are in Euro USD. It's the first day of the month, but it's also the last day of the week. So we are expecting to close the weekly candle of this month. Yesterday, the trade I had from the day before, I closed it at a profit of 120, so that was an 120% profit, because I had only $100 in my account, in the real life one. So this is the trade, 119.33, and if we see the trade history, I listened to my wife and closed it actually, because it went, so I closed it right before, you can see, right before the big drawdown. So here we have now equal lows, they will be broken this morning in London, that's for sure. So we have now 4 minutes before London open. So the trade, that was not a bad trade actually. So it went at 120 profit again. I didn't close it, so I had a drawdown up until minus 40. So imagine the emotion that took place, but actually I was pretty confident because of this bullish order block that price will go again. As soon as I saw that it didn't want to go higher, I closed it. I was expecting to go even higher even here. Maybe we will do it today, I don't know, or Monday. But for now we didn't, and we have created these equal lows here. So probably will take place the bearish optimal trade entry scenario after all. In this area, I mean. So these are the trades I have taken. And if we put a Fibonacci in this area, Fibonacci tool, we will see we're 61.8, so it's a sell situation. As it was yesterday, but yesterday we saw this bullish order block taking place. So I was expecting to hit highs like the 50% of this area. So we haven't still, we are still in an optimal, in a bullish optimal trade entry in this area, trying to reach the 50%, but we are in a downtrend after in higher time frames. So let's see the monthly. You see from 2007 actually, boom, 6,450 pips down. So we are in a bigger downtrend. We had here to try to overcome this high, we couldn't. We dropped down and we broke this market structure, and we are kind now in the middle. I'm going to delete the Fibonacci. So here in the weekly, this is interesting actually. If we take this area, this is an optimal trade area, and we see the result. What is this? Yes, no. This is a picture perfect optimal trade entry. 0.79. Not only we crashed the first profit target, we went to target 1 and almost hit target 2. So we might hit it later. And if this happens, we will have a crash in the European economy. So this is the 0.27%, but it didn't go up here. I mean, we are in a bigger downtrend since this optimal trade entry has confirmed. We hit one target, we hit almost second target. If we hit a symmetrical swing, we will be doomed, actually. But it's not a scenario that we could take out, because here we have a fair value gap that needs to be filled. So at some point, at 0.5, as we saw here, with this low, we hit the exact mid threshold of this area. So let's see where we are now. Let's go to the daily. Okay, for the daily, we have to take this high and this low. So in this area, we are in a discount just under 50%, which is just why we might need to test. But here, when we retest it, we didn't surpass these highs. But look at this detail. We have relatively equal highs here, and they are ready to be broken, actually. And test this fair value gap here. So let's go and put the Fibonacci tool in this area right now. As we said yesterday, we are under 50%. We have touched the 61.8, which is still an optimal trade entry. We don't need to go higher than 61%. This is a sell, and this is, you see the precision. Look at this unbelievable precision. Unbelievable. So 0.27, it's a very likely target. If you see this image now, with this low, we have news, by the way, and we opened London. We just opened London. I'm not in a hurry to trade today. I'm going to take this low. I'm going to risk not much, actually, today. It's Friday. So right now, yes, we are in an optimal trade entry, in a bearish one. We haven't hit higher highs here. Yesterday we couldn't break this high, and overall we had a red candle. After this candle here, I was expecting to go higher, and you see what happened. We went up until here and then down. So in the daily, we have some targets now. This is the high of the last day, and this is the low of the last day, which are equal lows. So this is a great trade, actually. Yes, I'm expecting to go lower. How lower? If we measure this candle, and we'll see the power, the buying power or the selling power. Actually, here is the next target, and it's right in the mid threshold of this fair value gap. So I'm going to delete the bigger symbol. And let's go to the 4 hour. all the red lines are targets actually. But right now I'm expecting to go first in this. So let's go and see the bigger picture. Here and here actually. Zero point 0.27. Here we have reached optimal trade entry. So we are in the down process of it. Targeting this 50% here. So this red line, the main threshold of this fair value gap, the highs of these candles, and the 50% are all targets for today actually. I believe for today. Maybe on Monday. We'll see the volatility. We are hitting 61.8%. So let's see where we are in the 15. Yes, in the 15 we are in buying optimal trade entry. So let's see a little bit. I'm not in a hurry to trade yet. It's very soon. No one is, as you see. Very well set up. It's Friday. We have equal lows. I'll delete. Let it go. And we are, let's go to the 15. Weird setup. But actually this makes more sense going down. This is where we are actually. 61.8% going to the 50% with equal lows downstairs. Boom. 23 pips. But I'm expecting to go first here. And I will tell you why. Because here is the New York Midnight Open at 7 o'clock good time. Look. Okay, no, we just hit it. This is it. This is the candle. We just hit it. Okay. So if this is 7 o'clock, yep, we are in the Asia, which is Asia high here. So we are going first here. So for now, and in this area, we are in a bullish optimal trade entry. 0.27 to the 50% at least, or 61.8 to go down and hit these equal lows. Yes, it's going for the Asian high. And I am in because we have also this fair value gap, this bullish order block. So this is, yep, Asia high. Boom. Yes, thank you. Yes, sorry, this is what I missed. Yes, this is your high. Let's have a text. It's gonna be taken. And here we have also a buying model to the 2022 fair value gap, and up we go. Where this is the target actually. 83, round number, 20 pips. Yep. And right now the stop loss will be here. 80, 88. I have put again this number. Boom. 0.3. Going for 40 euros, I will be very happy. Because in this area, this is a bullish order block actually. So I'm expecting first to go up, and then in New York, we will go for the equal lows. So this is the trade. I'm gonna journal it. I haven't seen the chart at all. Give me a moment and I will write now. Yep, very good setup actually right now. You see the result of the fair value gap. We took buy side liquidity, but here we have again a fair value gap. Let's see. Here they will be taken for sure. The thing is when. Let's see if my scenario will be correct. First up and then down. Fair value gap, you see the reaction of the price. Let's go to the chart. And we have now the PMI. Καλημέρα ρε, καλό μήνα. I just saw the chat. $120 yesterday, 120% of the whole account in one trade. The chat. So this is a bullish order block. 61.8, it will touch it and then it will explode. Yep, you see the precision. This is unbelievable, guys. Some random line that I drew. Let's see, because now for sure we have equal lows and it's very tricky. We have the news, because now we are formatting actually. Let's see which fair value gap will prevail. I believe this one, the bullish one. First, let's see this candle. We're going for the Asia high. We took New York, and we have a bullish order block here. I'm risking 17 euros to go for 40. It's 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Yep, let's be this month the best trading month ever. Let's make this month. And use the candle to the exact New York midnight open. That's, you see, this is algorithmic, guys. Boom. Very good setup, actually. Going up. So we have also economic news, so that helps. High news, so this is very bullish. And for pound and for Swiss franc, Spain bullish. Greece is high impact. I mean, this is very rare. Our PMI is high impact. So we have inflation rate in 1 hour and 42. So this is gonna be a hell of a day. It will be a roller coaster. I love this candle, actually. It's so bullish. Let's see, I want to surpass this high because this is, we took buy side liquidity. Let's see. Let's do the higher time frame, 15 minutes. Here we are bearish. But as I said, we have to fulfill this gap that created yesterday. And up until this week, we are good, actually. This candle says a lot. Let's measure this candle. Sorry guys, I sneezed. So we have very good volume. And we passed the previous high that I wanted to pass. So yes. Yep, we're looking for the Asia high for sure. We will crash it. Very good trade. As I said here, we were in an optimal trade entry. So the target is actually the 50% at least of this. The first target is here actually. Is the final is here? Yes. We could go up until here, but let's see the volatility. We have volatility today. The 50% is for sure a place that we will have a retracement. then go back to this high, and then we will go upper and probably here then down. This is my prediction. And down because here we have equal lows. So, Pano, we have to do this in crypto, man. Right? It's the same stuff, same concepts. So, guys, feel free to comment. Okay, yes, let's advertise our Discord. We have a Discord, unbelievable, but yes, we have. Nicholas Perry. Hello, Nicholas. Have a follow. It's a very, very good trade. Asia High is for sure a place that we will visit. The thing is how high we will go, but let's measure the power of this candle. Yep, right about my target, my profit target. Right, let's this candle I mean. So I will actually trust it. Why not? Just a little bit more. For 45 euros in right now $220 account. Yesterday we had 111 and now we have 222. So yeah, it's 100% in one day and in one trade. So here we'll see the reaction of this fair value gap. So here we have some reaction, but here we also have a fair value gap in the lower time frames. Yep. Okay, these equal lows they will be taken, and here we will have the support we want to send price higher. We have also an inverted fair value gap here. So this area will be tested exactly in this candle, this high. Boom. Look at the precision. Unbelievable. It's also the high of this candle. So these lows were taken as I said. You see the precision of the Fibonacci, drawing what? The buying power, the volume of this candle actually. From this body, which body? What's the time frame? 5 minutes. the 5-minute candle. If we go to the 15-minute, here we're going higher. And we have high impact news right now. Okay, so we are going higher because the 15 is bigger. And we have respected this is the setup right now. So one target is almost reached. Boom. This is the red line that I drew just 1 minute before. This is the guys. Okay, tell me about it. Okay, this is the red line that I just drew 1 minute before. Of course, but this, look at this precision. So we are going here, and this the orange line right now. And you'll see the precision. Ah, yes, yep, the body respects it. It respects it. So this is the mean threshold, the 50% of this fair value gap from here to here. So this is now we are having real support. The 100% means that here is where we drew our Fibonacci of the 15-minute candle. It's the upper body of the candle. You see the bank power. So now, yes, this is probably better target. Why? Because we have to fill at least the 50% of the gap. This is optimistic, but we are in a very volatile day also. So in 2 minutes we will have more news. Cameras are away, sorry for the noise. I'm a little bit sleepy. Remember, we have equal loss lower. So more news. And we see the reaction of the candle. This candle I like, and exactly the red line. This is strong candle, sending the price up. We are going to retest this fair value gap, but this candle, yes, you see it. This candle is sending price up, and exactly the same level here. This is algorithmic. Boom. As I said it. So you are reading price action with me. I've been studying price actions for 3 years now, quite every day, and only in the latest months I have been consistently profitable, and especially as soon as I opened this live stream, this helped me a lot. So you see bearishness now, I will see. We haven't taken the Asia high yet. Now we are testing the bullish order block exactly to the upper body of this candle, and exactly at this 0.79. Look at the precision. Okay guys, I have to go for 10 minutes, 15 minutes maybe. Let's see if we can see this scenario being bearish. Here we have also a break of market structure, but you have equal lows downstairs. And it's going fast also. We have momentum. But here is the bullish order block. I like this candle because it has pressure from downstairs, sending it up. The wick is very strong. Yep. And I believe now we are going up. Equal lows they will be taken here. Equal highs, sorry. This wick is very strong. Yep. And the 50% here of this wick now, or a little bit more higher actually. So these are the 3/4. This is the golden ratio of this wick here. Boom. Now we see price needing to go up. This fair value gap is very strong. This will send price higher. Let's see, we're waiting. Equal lows, they will be taken. Yep, they just did. Probably the mid threshold of this candle. Again, these equal lows will be taken. We'll see how low it will go. It's also after our first half an hour after the opening. 50% of the week. It will go lower. Yep. Again, equal lows, it will go lower. Let's see this bullish order block, how strong it is. We took New York, but we haven't take Asia yet. So this is the bullish order block that must have support. This is the 50% of the volume of the candle exactly. Probably we will have a retracement here. Let's go to the 15-minute. So we have measured the buying power of this candle, and here is the 50% to the exact mean threshold of this candle that broke this market structure. Yep, this week is very strong. Mean threshold of this week. Boom. And now we're going up. This is enough. This is very much okay. This is a bullish order block, a quite good one. Yep. Okay guys, I need to go for a while. I'm gonna be back. I will let the screen running. If I lose a trade, I lost it. If I win it, I win it. It's okay. It's part of the process. Let's put a more secure take profit. 33 is not bad. I don't believe I'm gonna change my stop loss. We have again high impact from Italy, and I like that because just before that we were bearish. That means that we will send price to the opposite direction. Let's see if we will take sell side liquidity first and then go up, which means that I will have lost the trade, which I don't believe I will. Actually, here we have very strong bullish order block. Again, the 50% exact touch, and now with the body. Here we are not trade entry in this area. We need to fill this gap. Three minutes to go. Let's see if they will take sell side liquidity first. This guy wants to test this bullish order block. Here, this week though is very strong. It's same price here. Swing low, fair value gap, candle with weak and great buying pressure. Bullish order block, bullish order block. This is all bullish. And in a higher time frame, but closer to us, here we are in an optimal trade entry. So this is a good setup. Let's see, we have 2 minutes. See volume downstairs. Let's see. They're going to take sell side liquidity. I believe it's a good trade. Yep, this is the greatest candle that I would love to have, and I could buy again here. Yep, 1 minute to go. So all this fairness is just before the Italy's high impact PMI. $50 to go. This week is higher than this one, is higher than this one, is higher than this one. We are creating higher lows and higher highs here. This is manufactured. I don't like that this candle is lower, this body is lower than this one. 0.27 level, 5 seconds till the high impact news. Boom. Let's see how high or low it will go. I like that it's hesitating. Again, from France in 5 minutes. Yes, guys, wait. The whole idea is to go first upper and go and raise a high also. And later we are going down, not now. But for sure, downstairs we have equal lows waiting to be broken. Boom, here. These are targets, but I believe for later. We are in the 4 hour. Here we are in an optimal trade entry in a bullish actually situation. And here is a fair value gap in the 4 hour that has been created. And I believe this fair value gap will send price higher. But the thing is that we have created equal lows. Also, it's Friday. Also, it's the first of the month. We have high impact news. This is a very good day actually for volatility. So here you see this is in this area we are in a bearish optimal trade entry. Let's see. In the 4 hour, which is a very strong time frame. Yes, we have equal lows. You see the price is not moving actually. We are waiting for in 2 minutes for French news. This candle broke market structure in this swing high, so it's very good. This buying power. It will create a small fair value gap here, yep, and this candle will not surpass these bodies. Only a little bit with the wick. This, yep, up until there it had the right to go. The 3/4 of this week. Buying power, news, all over the place. Let's see if they'll take first sell side liquidity and then go up. This is the question. But right now, this is a 2022. Of course, you had buy side liquidity taken, and you haven't had sell side liquidity taken. This is a pretty, the scenario that could take place. That they will take first sell side liquidity. Yes, and probably they will now. Look in these candles. And now, if I lose a trade, it's okay. The setup was that what I intended to be. Yes, now I see that we are going downwards. We still have some hope here with this fair value gap. Price has the right to go up until here. Αγάπη μου, θα έρθεις. Μπράβο, καρδιά μου. Έλα, ψυχή μου, έλα. Τι είναι. Καρδιά μου, πάω να πάρω τέτοιο. Ας να παίξουμε. Okay, this weight is very, very strong, has great buying power. Έλα. Ψυχή. Έλα, παιδί μου, δεν σε βλέπω. Έχουμε νέα, είναι... Ωραία, θα μου θέλεις να πάω και... Άρα ό,τι θέλεις, ναι. Μήπως είναι στο πάνω. Αυτές, παιδί μου. Καλώς το μου.
Τι να πάρετε το μεσημέρι, ψάρι?
Πάρε κανένα γάβρο,
Όχι, γάβρο δεν ξέρω πώς θα το καθαρίσω και η μαμά σου είναι στο νοσοκομείο.
Τι θες να πάρεις, αγάπη μου, πάρε ό,τι θέλεις και δεν κάνει τελείς. Ό,τι θες πάρε. Πήρα και τη θέα την κόπη.
Συγγνώμη, δύο κέικες.
2 πένες, ναι.
Εντάξει, αυτό.
Όχι, δύο κέικες. Δύο κέικες.
Ναι, ίδιες.
Έχεις τα κλειδιά του πόλο.
Ναι,
Πού είναι εδώ?
μια συμβουλά. Okay guys, I'm back. So I closed the first trade because I saw equal lows here. I went bearish again, but then this candle popped and I saw that this candle is not, it's just taken this sell side liquidity. So that's why I ended and then got out, because we might go up at the end of the day because we just took this sell side liquidity. So I mean, I might was right in my first trade and I closed it for no reason, but it's not actually no reason. These are relatively equal lows. Here you have sell side liquidity, but you could have this sell side taken like a sell side liquidity grab, and now they will send in the initial target, which is up, the Asia high. So here we also have create the fair value gap here and equal highs in this area. This is very tricky for sure. You have targets all over the place, but my initial thought was that we are going up. Now after the news, yes. So I'm gonna put more as soon as I see equal highs. Here is a bullish order block actually, because we just took this candle just for a little. If you see, we just grab it. Well, I'm going in. I'm gonna put my stop loss here. 8104, 81. So I was right in the first trade. As it seems right now, but this is a buy model market maker. Here we are. Market maker buy model. So probably this is the real setup after we took, because this is what I thought. I had suspicions that we haven't equal highs here. Great. We didn't have sell side liquidity, so we just took sell side liquidity just for a second here. Look at this area only. So I got out because I thought I saw equal lows, which now are relatively equal lows, and also downstairs we have targets. But here now we took sell side. We have taken buy side liquidity. We have taken sell side liquidity. Now we can go up, as you can see now. So this is what trade is all about. It's the thing to time the markets. If I didn't stop, if I didn't get out of my first trade, I would be still in the trade. So it's actually the first trade, but now I am in with more because I lost with the two trades that I cut. So I want to get even right now. So this right now we have fair value gap. Great. We'll see how much. And we're looking now for targets. This fair value gap will send price higher. So I have my sun here. this was enough to send price higher. This is what really live trading is. You have the time in the markets, everything is expected. If you think you are wrong, you have to get out early. So I did. So it was like last week. So I had some red days, but yesterday I had a 120% trade in one trade. So, you know, so I'm gonna target now at least the 50%. 80 to 56. And we'll see what happens. Okay, stop me out. Okay. If I had too close of the stop loss and then it will go up, it's unbelievable. Again in, let's put our stop loss here, and if I lose this trade also, I'm gonna be done for today, because that was just because I had very tight stop loss. This candle has power. This candle has buying power, yes. Stop loss 80-80. 80-80. No, 75. That's him. Oops. Θέλεις λινό. Τι θέλεις. Πώς σου λέω πως δεν θέλεις. Θέλεις. Καλά. Let's see this candle. Equal highs, I love them. We are going up. Yep. Are they going to take buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity again? Yes, this is a very good candle. Because it's a high volatility day, they will grab all the liquidity they can. Oh, great. Equal highs, great. Okay, we're going up. So take profit would be 6%. I want to get even at least 80 to 64. This is the process, guys. Όχι, δεν το βάλεις το.
Όχι εδώ.
Φίλε, πρόσεχε. Πρόσεχε. Κάτω. Όχι, περίμενε. Okay, guys, I have closed my display because my son is in the monitor and I don't want to show his face. I don't want to show his face. Τι θες να κάνω.
Αυτό για να παίξω.
Το βγάλω πάνω με αυτό δουλεύω, αγάπη μου.
Αυτό εγώ θέλω να παίξω με το δικό μου.
Παίξει, να το ανοιχτό. Να κοίταξε, αυτό είναι ανοιχτό. Οπότε τα κουνάς αυτά, κουνιέται αυτό. Κοίτα, περίμενε, να το. Να το. Ρε φίλε.
Τα σημαίνει τι έκανε.
Ναι. Να το, κοίτα. Εσύ το κάνεις αυτό. This card has buying power behind it. Let's see. I don't expect this candle to break this week.
Πάρε κάμερα για να φαίνομαι.
Όχι, δεν πρέπει να φαίνεσαι. I might lose this trade again and I'm out. After that, it's okay. So we're going down. After all, we didn't take the Asia high. It was enough to take the New York. But for sure, let's see now. We have taken the relative equal lows. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna end this. Actually, if, I'm not gonna close the trade. I'm gonna let it if it cuts my stop loss, it's okay. Because now that candle would be enough. Yes. I like these wicks. Yes, it took some sell-side liquidity before it goes up. Okay. I'm not cutting it. And I'm gonna let it to play out and do whatever it wants to do.
Βάλω κάμερα για να φαίνομαι.
Νικόλα μου τώρα, άμα βάλω κάμερα θα μας βλέπει όλος ο κόσμος. Δεν πρέπει να σε βλέπει όλος ο κόσμος. Δεν κάνει να το βλέπει το παιδάκι. So I'm speaking some Greek because my son is here. And he wants to show his face in the camera. But I tell him that that's not appropriate for young kids. It's only for great. So now I believe the scenario of the buying.
Εγώ το έβαλα.
Εσύ το κουνάς. Για να δούμε.
Εγώ αυτό το έκανα.
Για να δούμε το κάνει. Εδώ είσαι εσύ. Κούρ. Είναι αυτή η γραμμή που κουνιέται πάνω κάτω. Θα το πας κάτω. Πάνω πηγαίνει το πάνω. Fair value gap after we have taken sell-side liquidity. So this is important. This is the setup, I believe. We have taken sell-side liquidity. Yes. Yes, baby. Nice. Όχι εδώ, αυτό μόνο. Αυτό είναι δικά σου. Εσύ να βλέπεις, να το.
Τι έχω.
Αυτό το γυρνάς. Θα μας στείλανε, παιδιά. So you see the fair value gap here. This is the real setup, guys, because it's also 11.16. I have just predicted it from here. The thing is that they took some sell-side liquidity. Let's see. I like this candle. This candle shows that we're going up. So they fulfilled the fair value gap. It's perfect. Here. Okay, price has a right. Yes, sorry. My son tells me not to move the mouse because he's moving the button.
Μα, εγώ εσύ θα σηκωθεί να κάνεις μια γαλέκα και εσύ έκανες εδώ με το άλλο λάπτοπ και εσύ με αυτό το λάπτοπ και εγώ με αυτό το λάπτοπ. Εντάξει.
Δεν μπορώ να σηκωθώ εγώ όμως από αυτή. Εγώ δεν μπορώ να σηκωθώ πέρα από αυτή. Γιατί? Let's see, guys, if I will lose this trade. If I will, I am done for the day. It's okay.
Εσύ που
I will go for Monday. But as you can see, this price has reaction right now. Okay. My son tells me to look to the other monitor and talk. See εδώ. Θες να βάλω μια καρέκλα να κάτσεις εδώ και να σου βάλω εγώ αυτό εδώ για σένα και να έχεις τη δική σου καρέκλα εδώ.
Όχι εδώ. Και σε από εδώ να μοιρά. Από το δικό. Και θα φέρεις το δικό σου εδώ. Αυτό.
Μόνο που δεν γίνεται.
Ένα.
Δεν γίνεται. Γιατί εγώ το θέλω να κάνω δύο.
Ένα.
Μιλάω στον κόσμο. Θες να δεις, για να δούμε πώς έχω, πώς μας λέει. Κάτσε να δούμε.
Θα σε δώσω ένας.
Ορίστε, χαμός. Guys, today you have trading with the family.
Έτσι να κάτσεις να κάτσω εδώ. Εγώ θα κάτσω.
Okay guys, I'm gonna close the volume
Παρακαλώ.
because he's like whining a little bit. Okay, so we'll talk in a bit. Okay guys, I'm back. I had family moments as you saw, but I closed the trade because I saw here equal lows. They are going to be taken and we're going down actually. This indicates that we're going down. I wasn't sure, so I cut early. That's it. I'm done for today. I'm not trading anymore. Always Friday is a bad day for me actually, but anyway. I will see later in the day how it will play out if I see another scenario. But here now, yes, we're going. These lows are gonna be broken. So up until here it was a bullish setup. Up until here, yes, okay, this candle, but I don't trust these equal lows. I wanna go first low after all, and then I mean buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, yes, and then go. Maybe they will hit the fair value got here, but you never know. Right now, you don't know how low they will go because in this area we are in a bearish optimal trade entry. Boom. And you have the equal lows also waiting to be here. Waiting to be broken. So I don't care actually right now if we go immediately up. I don't like this setup. Even if I see candles that showing me that are going up. So yes, I don't feel confident in this trade. So bye bye. That's it. I try to catch it. I'm not risking anymore. Okay, so now it's like 65 to 70% up from yesterday. And it's okay. We'll see later in the day. But for now, this is the scenario. So I am going to close the live stream because I have some work to do. Thank you for watching. This is real life trading. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but you have to manage the whole thing. So thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe and like the video if you find some value of it. And yes, of course, right now it will go up. Oh. But here you have equal lows. They will be broken later. I think it's when. As you saw, these equal lows were broken as I said. So we'll set up because we also have the last day of the week and the first day of the month. This is kind of tricky. So you have to see where the weekly candles want to settle up, and where the monthly candle wants to open. Here where we are in a daily. This is bearish. Equal lows close to 50%. This will be taken today, actually. I believe later, maybe in New York, if not now. But here you have in the 4 hour. Again, in the 4 hour, again bearish actually. It's a optimal trade entry area. But lows are very, very, very good target. Okay guys, I am closing it. Thank you very much for watching. We'll talk on Monday. Have a great weekend. Have a great month. We'll continue fighting for the best. this is a whole, the whole thing is an educational process. The concept is that you have to try to be a better trader every day. And I'm actually happy today because I cut my losses early. This is a very good step towards my profitability, my consistent profitability. So this is a positive day actually, even if I lost some, like 20 euros or something. This is nothing. And I also might be able to take them later in a better setup. So for now, price is consolidating, doesn't want to go up yet. So we'll see where they want to send it. Thank you very much for watching. We'll talk on Monday. Bye bye.